Yeah guys, from when I reach us up, you know say I by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so I don't know what go on, and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe, and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC Epic. If you are a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, and don't know the Shrek, so catch you now. Take in the intro, guys.
We're so forward.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
So far.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Welcome back, guys. When you see the title, you know what we're going today. When you see it, so check it out and take it in.
Yes guys, we'll be doing a beef burrito and these are all the ingredients. So we have our garlic and onion mix, our ground beef, salt and pepper, and don't worry yourself because as we go along you'll see the rest of the ingredients. So forward, make a transfer over to oil, right? Yes guys, so now we're just gonna add our ground beef to this oil and it's roaring hot, guys. You see that? Perfect, right? Look at that. All our burrito gang. Yes.
And remember, guys, as we go along,
You see the rest of the ingredients.
The aroma from the beef alone, you guys have perfume to the kitchen.
Yes, guys.
Alright, guys, so we'll add some salt and pepper.
In everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. The golden rule over here, guys. Some of that garlic and onion powder mix. Moderately, guys. Get it all in there. Yes, the beauty, man. Look at the beauty. Now we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. Oh yes, cheese and more cheese, right? Look at that, man. Beautiful. So we're just gonna come with a little heavy cream now. Yes guys. Tottenham, man. Look at that. And we're
this
just
is like taking candy from a baby.
just
easy 1, 2, 3.
Just gonna allow the cheese to melt and that cream to simmer. Look at that, man. Beautiful, guys. Let us hear you guys in the comment section down below what you think about this, and let us know of the videos you'd like to see. Yes guys, we just have to take a moment for pause for me to enjoy what I'm going on, guys. The aroma from this is a perfume for the kitchen.
Talk no, man.
Yes guys.
Tell me one thing. Simple and easy and elegant.
Yes guys. At this point you can check for flavor and taste and spruce up what you need to spruce up. Add a little bit of that, a little bit more of that to your liking, right?
Guys, we're going to put a little twist, a little ginger extra.
Just a little. Yes. Guys, that ginger flavor.
And a toops of lime juice.
Just a little bit. Yes guys, can I tell you, man, the smell from this, the aroma is so amazing. And what we're coming with, a little bit of white wine. Oh yes, yes guys, this is something to talk about. Yes guys, at that nicely, right?
Raw and cut, guys.
A little bit more mozzarella cheese, because you don't know, cheese make it all better, right? Yes, guys.
Nothing too technical.
Not
Can try
at
this at
all.
home.
With simple home ingredients, right?
Normally, I would have cut up some onion and scallion and things, but this time I use powder. The onion powder, the garlic powder.
Yes, guys. But if you have those in the natural form, go ahead and use it if you'd like, right?
So I make this come together, guys.
Yes, guys. A few more minutes and it's that time. So we'll catch you back when we're removing this, right? Don't go nowhere right now. We're so forward. Back again, guys. So we're just gonna add the final touches. A little bit of that pepper flakes, parsley flakes. You don't know, guys. You have to have a little spice and a little kick and a little twist, though. Or twist, or take, or wait.
Ready this ready, you know, guys.
Yes.
Time for him going on the bad wrap there. And as I tell you, as we go along, I'm going to see the rest of the ingredients. So forward now.
Yes, guys.
I'm taking the rest of things out. I'm going in this.
Alright.
Right, I got EPIC.
Epic. Yes, guys. So you don't know what time it is. The assembling of the wrap. And we're just going to add some sour cream to this wrap. Look at that, man. Get it all up in there. Yes. And if you don't have sour cream and you would like mayonnaise or you don't like sour cream, feel free to use that mayonnaise.
Or I can use some tartar sauce if you like.
Yes, guys.
Don't want to overdo it.
Just
This
keep
is
it.
sour cream and we did already add some lime juice.
Yes. Tell us what you think about this burrito. That cheese. Yes, guys. One more. Can never go wrong with cheese, right?
Hot patty, we don't fit out.
Alright. That beef. Ooh, yes. Child. The aroma from this. So good.
And remember, guys, this is our take.
Or twist or way. Yes, guys. The bad scrape, you don't know everything.
Nothing now waste, nothing now dash right.
Yes, guys. Cut that, man. Beautiful, right?
A little mozzarella crumble.
Mm-hmm.
Right up on top there, so. Right there, so cheesy and nice, though.
Yes, guys.
Alright.
Just gonna wrap up this.
Remember it to me. Now catch it good, guys.
Yes, guys. Oh, yes.
So you pull so it kind of tight now.
Yes,
You can get it
guys.
where you want it now.
You roll. Ensure that everything is intact. Then we roll, 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 roll. Yes.
I'm going to add this back to the heat now, guys. Now frying pan.
Yes, guys. We're soon forward. Yes, guys. So we're gonna add the burrito to our heated pan. Yes, guys.
Give it an extra 2 minutes.
Just to melt that cheese and all of that good stuff. And this is where you need to keep a close eye on your flame on low. Yes, guys. Just ensuring that it's perfect, right? Alright guys, so we are catching it back when we are turning it on the next side, right? Soon come again. Yes guys, so it's that time to give this a turn. Yes, look at that, man. Perfection.
So you have to ask what time it is in, guys.
Yes.
Just not gonna, because I already eat ready now, so I'm gonna remove, cut it,
and get on with the plating. So ready up with your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up
the comment section.
Yes guys, so let's go. Yes guys, so we're just gonna give this a cut, and if you notice, it is at a diagonal. Yes, that's what we want. Ooh. Yes, look at that. Beautiful, right? Yes guys, so now after the plating station, we're ready, right? Yes guys, look at that. From a city plate, you don't know what time it is, so start drop the banger comments them. Guys, look how that wrap your thick, man. Thick as Jesus. Beautiful. Ooh, yes. Looks good, right? Appetizing. Let it rain, let it rain. Yes guys, the beauty, right? Remember to follow our socials. We post pictures over there, so feel free to follow us where you can like up them pictures. I'm gonna give this a rotation. Look at that. Yes, this is so giving, right? Oh yes, beautiful. Stop right there. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. So without further ado, you know, so this video has come to an end. All this good stuff. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.